had a busy earnings. It's a busy earnings week for all my little plays. And Tonix Pharmaceuticals people, they had their earnings, but people, I didn't think their earnings today was going to move them. That's when they handed in their application. That's when it got approved. And now, dot, 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 dot. And very nice. So here's our Tonix, what we're waiting for here, people. We have their Tanmya. Fully commercialized. Now they are. All right. Following the FDA approval of Tanmya, they are excited. Focus the execution of the U.S. launch later this month to bring the first new treatment option for fibromyalgia to patients and clinicians in more than 15 years. We have built the commercial infrastructure, market access capabilities, and brand awareness to position Tanmya for a strong launch and sustainable market presence. Turning to our pipeline, we are excited to in-license TNXP 4800, a phase 2 ready long-acting human monoclonal antibody for the seasonal prevention of Lyme disease. You know, people are really worried about Lyme disease. Well, I don't know. Some people also say that celebrities just say they have Lyme disease when they're being drunk and when they're on like coked out benders, I guess. I don't know, maybe. And I'm sure Lyme disease is real. It's not just something like Justin Timberlake has, but I don't know. But anyways, to announce a collaboration with Massachusetts General Hospital to conduct an investigator-initiated phase 2 study of 10x 1500 for the prevention of kidney transplant rejection. These are all very random things. I don't really know. I don't know. Whatever. Their priorities are clear. Launch Tanmya, advance the pipeline strategically, and drive sustainable growth that benefits patients and shareholders. I would like it if they did that. All right, this was August. We said this. September, they established the acquisition for Tanmya. Tonix announced the commercial launch of Tanmya. And then sales representatives have been in the field for over a month in preparation for the November launch. This November, Tonix is contracted with existing wholesalers and supply specialty pharmacies for the distribution. Has also contacted companies to assist with prescription fulfillment and patient access. Boy, oh boy, people, I hope they're doing it. And then Tasimari, that's something, this is what they bought. They bought this company, acquired it. So this is one of like the drugs that they just like have, they're selling. But exclusive placement on a payer formula representing 16 million covered lives. That's nice. Then this major depression syndrome, they had meeting in October, filed an IND. Upon receiving IND, initiates phase 2 mid-year 2026. That'll be something. Then this one, for kidney transplant rejection, potential to also treat autoimmune disorders. That's a very interesting one, highlighting phase 1 safety biomarker results outlining phase 2. Going to a phase 2 is always a big deal. Here you have that. And in September, announced on licensing worldwide rights to TNX 4800 is a fully MA kills inside infected deer ticks. I would like that. We'll test whether it protects humans by killing inside infected deer ticks. Do you guys realize how big this would actually be, though, if they did this? Like, this would be huge. And there's no FDA-approved vaccine to protect against Lyme disease. Tonix plans to initiate adaptive phase 2-3 study during tick season in 2027. That would be huge. Like, really big. A lot of people would get that vaccine, I would assume. I mean, except for the people who don't think vaccines are real. But it seems like Lyme disease sucks. So, I don't know. And development Prader-Wills syndrome announced plans to initiate phase 2 randomized double-blind placebo in adolescents and children. This has an orphan drug designation. That's always good. People, I think this company could really bring a lot of profits because in my mind, when they start reporting sales, this is how big of a deal people thought it was, this drug. So when the drug proves that it's selling, then they can easily be back in the 70 range, 60 range. Give them 2 to 3 more earnings, and Tonix will definitely do something. I think this is a good. I almost feel like getting more Tonix, honestly.